la mierda. Concha de su madre. Ah, concha de su madre. Cuidado, cuidado. Cuidado. Cuidado, cuidado. Sacan de ahí. Cuidado. Cuidado, cuidado ahí.
Ay, estoy grabando, pero Cupi.
Mándalo a la nostalgia.
Piedra colgada, compa. Con cuidado.
An earthquake of magnitude 6.4 was recorded this Friday, 6, in the Atacama region in northern Chile. The earthquake affected electricity services and caused small landslides, according to official reports. The earthquake was recorded at 1:15 p.m. local time, 2:15 p.m. in Brasília, 54 kilometers south of the city of Diego de Almagro, according to the National Seismological Center. In a message on his X account, President Gabriel Boric said that local authorities had informed him that so far no victims have been reported. He also stated that he had convened a disaster risk management committee, COGRID, to consolidate information and assess the damage. According to the local press, there were small landslides in parts of the city of Copiapó, 800 kilometers north of Santiago. Presidential candidate Carolina Toa was speaking to two journalists on a local podcast about her campaign proposals when the studio began to shake. The interviewers and Toa stopped the broadcast, immediately got up from their chairs, and left the studio. The earthquake cut power to 23,000 customers in the Atacama region and reported minor landslides, said Miguel Ortiz, Deputy Director of Emergency Management at the National Disaster Prevention and Response Service. State-owned Codelco, the world's largest copper producer, said none of its operations in the area had recorded any damage to people or facilities. Chile is one of the most seismically active countries in the world. 3 tectonic plates meet in its territory: the Nazca, the South American, and the Antarctic. In 1960, the city of Valdivia, South, was devastated by a 9.5 magnitude earthquake, considered the strongest ever recorded, which killed 9,500 people. In 2010, an 8.8 magnitude earthquake, followed by a tsunami, killed more than 520 people.
El